All right, so let's start working on getting our game kind of moving here and getting some of our buttons hooked up and our actions and outlets all ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and keep with our outline view open. We're going to select our button. We're going to actually unhide it. All right, so we're going to we want this button to be present when the game loads up. All right, so we want to keep that button unhidden, but we're going to go ahead and choose the game view. All right, we're going to make that hidden, and then we're going to also choose the clicks label and make this one hidden. Okay, so that means when the game opens up and loads, we're going to be able to see the button, but the game view and the click label will not show up, when we start. Okay, so let's go through here. Let's start getting some outlets hooked up. So let's go to our assistant editor, the split screen here. All right, and then let's do a couple things here. Actually, yeah. Okay. Actually, hang on, guys. I'm just going to situate this here. Okay, so I just changed my view. I want to see the outline here just to be able to drag over. So the first thing we're going to do is let's get on the play button. So you can, it's kind of hard to find that play button because it's being covered up by the view. So that's why the outline is sometimes helpful. So we're going to go ahead and drag from here, control drag. We're going to go ahead and make an outlet for this. We'll just call it play. Let's call it play button. Keep it simple there and click on connect. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and make an action for that button. All right, so again, I'm just going to control drag from the button to right there. We'll change connection to an action, and then we'll go play button pressed. Okay, since it's an action, we'll connect that. All right, now let's go to our view. All right, we're going to control drag from the view to right about here, and we'll call this game view. And then let's go to the clicks label and make an outlet for the clicks label. And we'll call it click label. All right, so we did a few things there. So let's just review to make sure you have everything that you should have here. All right, so the first thing that we did is we have our play button. Okay, so here's our play button. We've got a outlet. We've got an action. Okay, we also have a view outlet and we have a click label outlet. Okay, so that's our initial our setup here. So I'm going to go back to my standard screen here, and then I'm going to go into the view controller file, do some code. So let's go into our action. All right, so this is the play button. So when we press this button, okay, we want the play button to go away. So we're going to go play button dot is hidden is equal to true. Okay, and then we want the game view to show up. Okay, let's see here. Why is it not liking that? Should be okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so we're going to go game view dot is hidden is going to be false because remember we set it we turned it on in the storyboard, so when it loads up it is hidden. When we press the button it is not going to be hidden. We're going to do the same thing with the click label. Click label dot is hidden is equal to false. Okay, so when we go ahead and hit play on this, just make sure that's working. Always get the test out before you go too far ahead. So that way if we made any errors we can fix those. All right, loading up. There we go. All right, where we at? There she is. All right, so the app loads. Space Adventure, hit the play button. Everything happens. All right, perfect. So I got my game view, I got my clicks label, and the play button is now hidden. It's nowhere to be found. Okay, so that's looking good there. All right, so that is our basically connecting our storyboard to our code. Things are in place here. So we're now ready to start getting into the gameplay. All right, the biggest step of this whole app here is doing just that. So in the next video we will get into that. So that'll be our last step here. But again, we just wanted to get our outlets and basic functionality set up here. Next video, gameplay is coming. See you guys.